Boom! I'm back in the old tyre shed at the old Heale Manor. Well, what's going on today? Now, I've noticed that I've got stuff all set up both sides and with the bikes in here and one thing and another. I ain't got an awful lot of room. So the plan today is to have a real good sort out. And there's stuff here that I don't use, it's rubbish. I need to get shot of it to give me a bit more space in the toy shed. Because the coming months, once we get over the summer and we get this this little beastie up and running, we're gonna use it over the summer, and then the winter we're gonna do a full project on it. that's the plan. He says, scary. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear up the mess. I'm going to make it really tidy. I'm going to make sure that everything is stowed away so I've got more room, and I'm going to get rid of a load of stuff that I ain't never going to use. I'm not really a hoarder, but it might come in useful one day. So that's what we're going to do. So without too much ado, I'm going to get on with it. Stop rabbiting, get on with it. So cheers, we'll catch you in a bit. Well, that's halfway through the job anyway. So I've managed to clear all this side off. So that's all clear. So effectively, what I'm hoping to do is to move a few bits down here, and then I'll be able to get the bike in, and then we can bring this across. That's the idea. So without too much of ado, let's get on with it, and then I can put the bike back in there, and then move it all across, so I've got a little bit more working space around everything. So I've gained half a garage basically, and I'm getting rid of a load of stuff.